In this video, I'll be giving you a tour of my home studio as of June 2022. Coming up. Alright guys, so starting out with the room itself, this is just a spare bedroom. It's a pretty small space, but I decided to turn it into my home studio. It did come with hardwood floor, so I decided to get some carpet to minimize the reflections in the room. I also got some acoustic treatment going on here with diffusers and bass straps. And then also at the door itself, I decided to install some weather strips to keep some of the outside noise from coming inside. Moving over to the main desk, this is actually a desk I found on Amazon. It's a 63 by 31 gaming desk, and I really like it because it has a cup holder over here, and also it comes with a headphone stand, which is very practical. And underneath the desk itself, it does come with cable management, so it hides all my cables and it keeps everything pretty neat. Now moving over to the main station, which is the 14-inch MacBook Pro with the M1 Pro chip. And I connected to this ViewSonic 27-inch monitor. I really like this monitor because it allows me to charge my MacBook when I connect it via USB-C. And this is color calibrated, so I know that when I'm editing my videos, everything translates very well. And it also serves as a hub. So it not only lets me connect to the MacBook, I can also connect my work computer, my MIDI keyboard, and even my Switch all in one monitor, so I love that. Moving over to the audio interface, what I have here is an Apollo Twin X, and I had the Scarlett series from Focusrite for many years, and it got me through a lot. But after researching, I decided to just save the money and get it. And I gotta tell you, I absolutely love this interface. I find its console app to be very easy, and you can just monitor everything extremely well. If you wanna record live in real time with effects, you can do it. So I definitely recommend it to anybody that wants to, upgrade their gear. Also, I forgot to mention, when I have this computer connected on shell mode, I actually hook it up to the Logitech keyboard and the Magic Mouse wirelessly. Then coming over here, I do try to be a minimalist, but I actually do have more than one mic. And this is the TLM-102, my all-time favorite microphone for vocals and acoustic guitar. And over there, I do have a budget-friendly mic, which is the Rode NT1. I'll actually be doing reviews of both of these microphones in the future. Hey, real quick, if you enjoyed this type of content, please consider subscribing to this channel. Now back to the video. Moving over to the monitors, these are the Kali Audio LP6s. What I really like about them is they're pretty flat, and it comes with a picture graph behind the monitors, which will tell you basically what the settings should be depending on where you're placing the monitors in your room, so you can get a flat response, which is very helpful. And I also have the Beyerdynamic, I believe these are the DT770 Pros. And finally, let me move over here to my guitar collection. So this one is my Martin acoustic guitar. This is a DRSG model, and I absolutely love it. If you checked out any of my cover videos on my artist page, all of my videos were recorded and all my songs were recorded on this guitar. I absolutely love it. Okay, up next is my Fender Player Series Stratocaster. This is my least expensive guitar, but it's the one I play the most actually. And I love how versatile it is. I think it sounds great, and I think it's a pretty affordable price, for people that want to get a high quality instrument. So there it is. Okay, last but not least, this is my Gibson Les Paul. I believe this is a 2006 model, and I've had it for ages now, and they don't make this exact same model anymore, but I really love it. It sounds great. Just a classic Les Paul. So there you go, that's my home studio tour for 2022. Let me know down below, what equipment are you using to record every day, and what are you looking to upgrade in your home studio? Thank you so much for watching, and I will hope to see you in future videos.